In round 4, work 1 chain stitch and 4 single crochets with white yarn first. Work 1 chain stitch to raise the height. This will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 4 single crochets. Place the marker in the first stitch of every round. Continue to work single crochet. Finish 3 single crochets first. We'll change yarn at the 4th single crochet. Now work the 4th single crochet. Insert hook into the next stitch. Yarn round hook and put up a loop. Wrap the dark blue yarn around your fingers like this. Pinch the yarn and the fabric together like this. Then dark blue yarn round the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. The 4th single crochet is done. 4 single crochets with white yarn are finished. Leave the white yarn alone. Then work 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 3 single crochets with dark blue yarn. We'll change the yarn at the last single crochet. Work 1 single crochet. Next, work 1 increase. Then work 3 single crochets. Finish 2 single crochets first. Now, work the 3rd single crochet and change to white yarn at this stitch. Then work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 3 single crochets with white yarn. Work 2 single crochets. Next, 1 increase. Then 3 single crochets. Finish 2 single crochets first. Now, work the 3rd single crochet and change to light blue yarn at this stitch. Then work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet with light blue yarn. Work 2 single crochets. Next, 1 increase. Then work 1 single crochet and change to white yarn at the stitch. Then work 4 single crochets, 1 increase and 1 slip stitch with white yarn. Work 4 single crochets. Next, work 1 increase. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 4 is done. In round 5, work 1 chain stitch, 3 single crochets and 1 increase with white yarn in turn. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 3 single crochets. Place the marker in the first stitch of every round. Continue to work 2 more single crochets. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Now work the second single crochet of the increase and change to dark blue yarn at this single crochet. Then work 5 single crochets with dark blue yarn. Finish 4 single crochets first. Now work the 5th single crochet and change to white yarn. Five single crochets with dark blue yarn are finished. Then work 1 single crochet, 1 increase and 6 single crochets with white yarn. Work 1 single crochet. Next, 1 increase. Then work 6 single crochets. Finish 5 single crochets first. We'll change yarn at the 6th single crochet. Now, work the 6th single crochet and change to light blue yarn at this stitch. Then work 1 increase and 4 single crochets with light blue yarn. Work 1 increase, then work 4 single crochets. Finish 3 single crochets first. Now, work the 4th single crochet and change to white yarn at this stitch. Turn the fabric. Break this blue yarn. Then work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 3 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch with white yarn. Work 2 single crochets. Put the light blue yarn tail above the hook during crocheting. Now leave this light blue yarn tail alone. Next, work 1 increase. Then work 3 single crochets. Finally, work 1 slip stitch. Round 5 is done.